Teacher, we should check the answers for octal to decimal conversion.
Right. We'll see first. Octal to decimal one. Let's see. Octal to decimal. Yes. What are the parts that I gave you as homeworks?
Only octal to decimal, teacher.
Octal to decimal, some parts I discussed at the class, ne? Is that so? No?
No, teacher, you did the example, but you said to do as homework.
Right. Then we see the answers. Octal to decimal, the first one. Octal to decimal one, yes. Right, the first one, you have to expand the number first, then write the place values like this, and then you have to adapt it. A to the power 0 is how much?
1.
1 into 5 is 5 plus a to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. So here 64 into 3. That is 190. Yes. Then again 64 again multiply by 8 means 8 to the power 3. 512. Yes. 512 into 2 is 1024. 4. Altogether 9 Is this the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay. Just check the answers. Next one.
Teacher, 887 to the power 10. 887 to the base 10.
87 to the base 10. Right. We'll see. 6, 7, 8 to the power 0, 1, 2, and 3. Here 7, 48. 320 plus 512. So that is yes. Yes, correct. Next one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 plus 48 plus 320 plus 512 into 4. Is that 2048?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then 512 into 8 again. 4096 into 3.
Yes, teacher.
12,288.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then altogether
14,706.
14,706. Correct? 14,000. Alright. Right. Next one, it's having some fraction parts as well. A to the power 0, 1, and 2 here. A to the power minus 1.
Negative.
Plus 3 plus 16 plus 64 plus here the negative. 8 to the power minus 1 means 1 over 8. That is 0.125 plus
yes, teacher.
yes 64 කියන්නේ 0 1 64 then 40 කියන්නේ Yes, 6. Is this 0.0156?
Teacher, I got 83.25 to the base 10.
What about the place value here? 8 to the power minus 2, how much?
Teacher, I did like 8 to the power negative 1 into 1 no teacher. So I wrote 1 over 8 plus 8 to the power negative 2 into 6, 6 over 60 added.
Here like this. 8 to the power, make it a value 1 over 64. 1 over 64 into 6.
Yes, teacher. So I added and again I converted to decimal and I added with the 88.
Anyway, here you have to take the value, no, otherwise how to do? Is anybody there who have taken the 8 to the power minus 2's place value after simplifying? Is this correct? 0.0156 I got.
Yes.
All right. Then that is 0.0156. We have to multiply by 6 here. What is Haraka tisa itiri tunai harap hati tistunai itiri tunai navayai binduai binduai. Ina 0. Then 0.0936. Haya hatara dahayai dahaya tunai dahatuneng අපිට දැන් ඉතින් මේ ඔක්කොම ටික එකට එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ. So first we'll do the whole number addition. Yes. 83 plus මෙතන එනවා 0.125. හයයි හතන 8යි 9 11 ඉතිරි 2යි. එතන එනවා 0.2186. එතකොට final answer ආවේ 83.2186 ද? Is that so? No?
Yes, teacher. I got teacher now.
Right. So everybody took this answer 83.2186. That is for this one.
Yes, madam.
Right. Then if you have any doubts how this answer came, just you can ask, right? Right, next one. 3402. That is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. So I will use a separate color. 4 plus 24 plus 128. Then 8 to the power minus 1, 8 to the power minus 2. Here 0, no? 0 and 1 over 64 we got as 0.0156 into 2. 0.0312 there. 312.
Yes,
Right. But I had right 12 dasing high 3 ekai 29 dekai 5 ekai 156.0312. No?
Yes, madam.
Right. This is the answer for this one. And then if you have any differences in your answers, just write down the correct answer and try to solve it after the class. correctly. 34.1, 8 to the power 0, 1 and minus 1. That is 4, 24. And this one 0.125. Then add together 28.125. Okay. Got the answer? Anybody?
Yes, madam.
Right. Next one. Octal to binary. Did we this one? Did we do this? Octal to binary, did we discuss all here? Sehasa. Are there any missing parts here to discuss? Octal to binary. Shivani, are you here? Then can I move to this part? Octal to hexadecimal one today. Can you manage this one? Did I discuss this one last time? Octal to binary. Just please check with your note. Page number 16. All are silent now. Power cut for me. Right. Can you hear me well?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Can someone tell me, did we discuss all the parts in this octal to binary one? Last week, who was there? Everybody there, na? Dilumi. What about this one? Octal to binary, did we discuss all of these 6 calculations in the class? Or did I give something to do at the homework? Dilumi? Right. Why don't you answer? Then I will move on to the octal to hexadecimal, right? Right. Octal to hexadecimal. Right. This is the last calculation under the octal group. Right. The octal to binary we discussed, octal to decimal discussed, and now this is octal to hexadecimal. Right. So octal here also, we have to follow this calculation under 2 steps. Right. This calculation we have to follow under 2 steps. No any direct step here. Right. So there are 2 methods. The first method is, first we can convert the octal, the given octal value into binary. Right. Then that binary value we can convert into hexadecimal. That is one method that we can follow up here. Right. The second method is, first we can convert the given octal number into decimal. Then that decimal value we can convert into hexadecimal. This way. Right. So any of the 2 methods you have to use. Maybe for some of you, the first method will be easy. For some, the second method will be easy. Anyway, no any direct or some shortcuts here, right? Already we have to follow the 3-step method, right? So first we'll do the first method. You have to write down this one in your tutorial. Octal to hexadecimal, the page number 17. In the page number 17, hope you are having some free space on the top of the page here, right? So as the presentation is not having these explanations, can you just write this the thing that I am explaining here in this particular space? So what you have to do is just write down these 2 methods here. First method, what is the first method and the second method, right? Just write it here. I will show you the whiteboard. In this particular space, you can write down. Right, these 2 things, just write it down. Okay, the first example, we'll take 73, that is in octal, right? Example number 1, 73. So no need to do this in your books because we will continue with the tutorial. Just watch how to do this one. Right, now I will follow the first method, right? There, what I have to do? Right, I have to convert the given octal number into binary first, right? Yes, didn't I? You were not there in the class, Gaudavine. Yes, I think I have given the conversion to do the octal to binary one. Some I discussed in the class, and some the rest, maybe 1 or 2 calculations I didn't do in the class and asked you to do at the home. So you can do it as a homework, right? So 73, 8. First method, first we have to convert this one into binary. How to convert this octal into binary? First, we have to expand the given number and we have to separate by a line, right? Then we have to write each of these numbers as a 3-bit binary value. Can you remember? Right? Because the octal means 8, binary means 2, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Right? So I told you because of this relationship here in between 2 and 8, we have to take the power here, the 3. That is why each of these digits we have to keep as a 3-bit binary. Can one of you tell me what would be the binary value of 3 in 3 bits? What would be the binary value of 3 in binary? And you have to give the answer for me in 3 bits. Bits
Teacher, 011.
Yes, 011. Then 7.
111, teacher.
111. Right now, if I write down the whole answer 111011. This is the binary value of this octal number. Right? The first step over. Octal to binary conversion we did. Then that binary value again you have to convert into what? Hexadecimal. Right? Binary to hexadecimal also we discussed. What to do? 111011. We have to divide the given number 4 by 4. Is that so?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So, and again, you have to write down the place values. Starting from 2 to the power 0. Each group is starting from 2 to the power 0. Right? Wait. Right? Binary එක මුලින්ම sorry octal binary කරාට පස්සේ එන්නේ මේක, right? Then hexadecimal. So what is the answer here? 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Here 2 plus 0 plus 8. Now you know these calculations properly, I hope. 1 plus 2. Then here this part 3, and here 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. So can we have a number like 11 in hexadecimal?
No, teacher, it should be written
No.
as B.
Yes, it should be 3. And what is the relevant character? B. Is that so? Right. 3B, the base is 60. Right. This is the hexadecimal value of this particular octal number. Right. Got it? The way? Right. That is the first method. Right. So we got this answer. Then we will follow the second method. First, we have to convert the given octal value into decimal, then decimal into hexadecimal. So first, we'll take the 73, the octal one. This is the second method, right? First, the octal value, we have to convert into decimal. No need to write this down. I will directly move on to the tutorial after this one. Right, how to convert a given octal value into decimal? We have to write down the place values, right? So once I ask how to do this calculation, this kind of calculation, now you should be able to describe it, right? That means at the end of the lesson, you may have 16 or 12 calculations you may have. So all the 12 calculations you should thoroughly know. That means by just without looking at any note, you should know how to do this kind of conversion. Octal to decimal කිව්වම එකපාරට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඊළඟ binary to hexadecimal කිව්වම ටක් ගාලා ඔළුවට එන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? එහෙම practice කරගන්න ඕනේ. Right, a to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, and here a to the power 1 is 8, 8 into 7 is 56, that is totally 59. Now this is in decimal, ne? Now this is in decimal. That decimal value we have to convert into hexadecimal. How to convert a decimal value into hexadecimal? This is in decimal. How to convert into hexadecimal? Divided by
16, teacher.
16. That is 348 එනවනේ. 48 කියන්නේ 1 1 එනවා. එතකොට again the answer is 311 means 3b. 3b, the base is 16. So same answer we can take from the both of the methods. So maybe some of you can follow the first method. For some that method will be easy. For others the second will be easy. Anyway, you have to take the correct answer. Right? So we will move on to the tutorial ones. Page number 17. First one we'll do 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to convert into hexadecimal. So we will follow the first method first for this one, and the second one we will do with the second method. එහෙම කරමු. හරි? මේක first method එකෙන් කරමු. Right. So what is the first method I told? Binary. First octal value, convert into binary, then that binary one into hexadecimal. Right. You can follow me. right? Right. First, convert this octal value into binary. You have to keep each of these numbers as a 3-bit binary value. 5, put it as a 3-bit binary. Again, this one also binary 3-bit. ඔක්කොම 3-bit binary වලින් තියන්න බලන්න. So I told you the last time a shortcut to do this calculation, because normally when you want to convert a number into binary, you have to take the number and divide by 2. No, 9. 5 gattama 5 you have to divide by 2. That is how much? 2 and remainder 1, again divide by 2, 1 and remainder is 0. So you have to take the answer as 101. This is the answer, right? This is the normal way. You have to think each of these numbers as decimal now. Although it is in octal, after dividing this into separate parts, you have to consider them as decimals. Okay. So how to convert a decimal number into binary is dividing by 2. So that is the proper way. But there's a short way to do this one, like this, right? Just have a graph like this: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and write down the values of each. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4. Now, how to make up this 5 using these 3 numbers? That means we can make 5 by adding up 4 and 1 together. Is that so?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So for the fourth place, I have to give 1, and for this one 0, and for this place 1. Right? මේ places දෙකට විතරක් 1 දාන්න, අනිත් ඒවාට 0 දාන්න. එතකොට එකපාරට answer එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊළඟට 4 හදාගන්නේ කොහොමද? 4 directly it's here නේ. 4 is here. So only for fourth place you have to put 1, other 2 0. So 4 is 1 0 0. Here this one 1 0 1. What about 3? 3 we can make like 2 plus 1. Is that so? 2 plus 1. So
Yes, teacher.
4 is 0, 2 is 1, 1 is 1. The answer is 0 1 1. 2 is what? Here, the middle one. So other 0 and
1
middle
0.
part is 1 here. 0 1 0. So here the final answer is 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This first 0 you can just omit. You can discard the first 0. No value for that one. So this is now in binary. Now that binary value, right? Put the base. That binary value you have to convert into hexadecimal. That calculation also we have already discussed. How to convert a binary value into hexadecimal? We have to
Divide clusters of 4.
Yes, we have to expand the, you have to cluster, or you have to divide each of these numbers as parts of 4s. 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, right? From this point onwards, just cluster it like 4 by 4, right? You have to separate 4 by 4 like this, and write down the place values. Starting from this place, 2 3. Again 2 to the power 0, 1 2 3, 0 1 2. Right? Then just write down the values of each. This is 1 plus zeros. I told you don't try to multiply. Just if it is 0 there, just put 0. 4 and 0. මෙතන කොහමද 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 නේ මෙතන 0 plus 0 plus 4 ඉතින් මෙතන නා
Teacher,
yes
excuse me, teacher. Can
Yes,
you
Pooja.
explain the clustering part again?
yes now this part is that clear Sigiri?
Yes,
The
teacher.
yeah okay now the whole binary number we have to cluster as fours. That means starting from this direction 4 by 4 you have to separate. Then 1 2 3 4 එහෙම 4 by 4 cluster කරන්න ඕනේ. හේතුව ඇයි? Binary is 2 නේ, base is 2 binary. Hexadecimal means base is 16. So what is the relationship in between this 2 and 16 is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So from this relationship we took this power. That is why we are clustering 4 by 4. Right? මේ පැත්තෙන් නම් 4 by 4 වෙන්
Okay,
කරගෙන යන්න.
teacher.
හරි. ඒතර මෙතන
Okay, teacher.
3යි එන්නේ, right? Only 3 there in the last part. No problem. Right? Just
Okay,
do it with 3. Now each of these
Okay.
parts you have to write down the place values starting from 2 to the power 0 and then you have to add them up. Here 8 4 12 2 14 මෙතන 4 1 5යි බලන්න ඒ ටික ගන්න එතනට වෙනකම් right now in hexadecimal 4 is okay but is there a number called 14 with hexadecimal?
No, teacher.
No. What is the relevant character then?
E.
E. Yes. E and 5 is there. Because with the hexadecimal, you are having only 0 to 9 numbers and A to F characters. The A for 10, B for 11 and go on like F to 15. හරි 10 11 12 එන නම් ඒක වෙනුවට ගන්න ඔයා capital A capital letter එක. Right. So the final answer is 4E5. Base you have to put as 16. Is it clear, Dulmi? Yes, for අරගෙන තියෙනවා Wahid, right. Then we'll do the second one 15671 using second method. Then from that point onwards you can use any method that you wish, but in order to practice both of the methods we will do the second one using second method. This is second method that is octal. First we have to convert into decimal. Then that decimal we have to convert into hexadecimal. So the given octal number is 1567. How to convert octal into decimal? What is the method?
It should be divide. We should write the powers and do it.
Yes, we have to write down the powers of 8. That is 8 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 7. හරි ඒ විදිහට අරගන්න. එතකොට එනවා 7 නේ 1 into 7 is 7. Here 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 6 48. 2 3 මෙතන එනවා 5 12. So altogether 2 8යි 10යි 17යි ඉතිරි 1යි 1 2යි 4යි 4 8යි 5යි 3යි 8යි. Is that 887 in decimal? Anyone who got this answer? 887?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Right. Then that decimal value. Now this is in decimal now. How to convert that decimal into hexadecimal? Dividing by 16. So just divide the number by 16. 887 divide by 16. පහ 80යි ආයි පහ 80යි ඉතින් 7යි 10යි 3යිනේ 48යි 48යි 7යි නේ 377 ද yeah 337 ද
Yes, teacher.
337
Yes, teacher, I got it, teacher. Teacher, 377. Yeah, it is correct.
377 Rahi is that 377 ne now put the base 16 base you have to definitely put that one. Then the third one, I will not going to give you any method. So you can use any method, right? Easy method for you. First or second method. Using that one, just try to do this one. I think this is easy to done in first method. This kind of a lengthy one. It's easy to do with binary because the place value writing and multiplication is difficult here as it's having some different, number of places there. Places ගොඩක් තියෙනවානේ ඒක නිසා decimal වලට යන්න නැතුව ලේසි මට හිතෙන්නේ binary යන්න. First method එකකින් කරන්න. Use the first method to do this one. If any of you have any doubt, just ask, right? Because all or everybody has not done ICT for O level here now. So maybe their first time is those who have not done O level ICT, maybe this is the first time that they are doing the calculation. So don't shy, just ask, right? answer කරගත්තම 3972
Which I got, teacher. 3,972 to the base 16.
two of you have done the third calculation. They have taken the same answer 3972. Gauravi also has taken 3972. It should be the final answer. So others, don't be panic, just don't be frustrated, just do it slowly. Three, 4, 5, 6, 2. First, we have to convert into binary now. Shall we ask from one by one? Abhishek, can you tell me the relevant value that I have to take here, the binary value for 2?
0, 1, 0.
Yes. Next one, Dulmi, are you there? Dulmi? Sorry, Dilumi. 6. Dilumi is not there. Yumika, 6. What is the binary value?
110.
Yes, good. 110. Next, Gauravi, 5.
101.
101. Next, Tilini, 4.
100.
100. Next, 3, Shivani.
Teacher 011.
Yes. So it is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So we can skip this one. And then you have to divide. Again, power cut for me, but I have a UPS suddenly on power. Right. We have to divide this 4 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then place values. Others, you can follow the other rest of the calculations if you have already done this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. මෙතන මම එකපාරට මේක ලියවුවම 3 එනවා. මෙතන 9 එනවා. Here 7 and here 2. So the answer is 3972 in base 60. I hope the first method is easy, ne? Binary කරන එක lazy. Right, again, the next one. Let me erase this one. There's a fraction part as well. 123.6. Let's do this in the first method. Other than that means rather than writing the place values of 8 and adding them together, it's easy to write down the binary values. So we'll first convert this one into binary. Although you are having decimal places here, the same process, right? Only the difference is you have to put the decimal point, but the method is same. Yes, 6. What is the binary value of 6? Yes,
110.
Teacher 110.
110. 3,
011.
2,
010 teacher.
1.
001 teacher.
Yes. So here the first 2 zeros we can just omit, and the final answer, not the final, the binary value is 10, 100, 11110. Now we have to convert this one into hexadecimal. So 011110, again divide into clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And write down the place values.
So whether we should ignore the point, the decimal point.
Yeah. We have to consider that one. Definitely we have to consider. Yeah, I forgot it.
Okay, teacher.
110. මෙතන තියෙන decimal point එකක්. Yes, we have to consider it. So I have to erase this one now. Then point එක තියෙනවානේ. එතකොට අපි කරන්නේ from this point we have to cluster it, right? From the decimal point. But it's having 3 now. So in order to make it 4, we have to add 1 0 at the end. That is only for the decimal part. Then decimal point එක තියෙන තැනින් කොහොමත් එතනින් කඩන්න. එහෙම. Right? If there are less number of digits than 4, until 4 you have to add zeros to the end. Now say here only we are having 0.11 only. So just cluster from here and you have to add 2 zeros at the end. Right? And you have to make it as a 4 cluster of 4. So then when you are writing the place values also, you have to start with that added 0. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. මෙහෙම ලියන්නේ. I method normal 1, 2, 3, 4. We can divide it here. And this is okay. This that although you have put 0 here or not, that's okay. No problem. But for the end you have to add 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. तर මෙතන මේක බයිනරි කරාම මෙතන 5ක් එනවා. මෙතන එනවා 3ක්. මෙතන පොයින්ට් එක එනවා. මෙතන එනවා 8යි 2යි 10ක්. අර කැල්කියුලේට් කරලා ගන්න එකපාරට මම ගත්තට මුලින්ම කරන අය is that 53.A?
Teacher, 53.0, teacher. 1100 is C, no, teacher.
Sorry. 8යි 4යි 12යිනේ. C. මෙතන 12යි, not 10. Yeah, that is C. Here the value is 12, not 10. So 12 means C. Then next one. Try to do that one. 234.2. .4. Gauravi has taken this answer 9C.4. Let's check with some others as well. What is the binary value that you got? Here for 2?
0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0. 4?
100.
Yes, 1, 0, 0. 3?
0, 1, 1.
2?
0, 1, 0.
Yes. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0.010. So the first 0 you can see. Now again from the decimal point just divide it like this and add 1 0 to the end and 1 2 3 4 cluster like 1 2 3 4 here. Then 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 1 2 3. එතන එන අතර 8යි 9ක් ඔව් 9. එතන එන 8යි 12යි කියන්නේ C point here 4. Yes. 9 12.4 means 9C.4. The last one you can do at home, those who have not done, right? The last one. එක ගෙදරදී කරන්න. Right, octal to decimal conversion is also over. Now we have completed all the binary calculations, all the decimal calculations and all the octal. Right, only one group is there, the hexadecimal group. So first we'll see how to convert hexadecimal into decimal, I think, in the tute. Did you take this answer, all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then we'll move on to the next part, how to convert decimal, the hexadecimal part. Hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to binary, and then octal. So first we'll see hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. We'll check, say 5A 16, right? This is the example. This is the hexadecimal number. And how to convert this one into decimal is, you have to write down the place values of 16, right? So yes, the cursor, I can't see the cursor. Here this one 16 to the power 0, this one 16 to the power 1, right? And you have to write down the value. 16 to the power 0 means 1 into, what is the value of A? What is the value of
10.
A? 10. Plus 16 to the power 1 is 16 into 5. How much? 16 into 5? 80.
80, teacher.
Yes, here 10 altogether 90. So the answer is 90. Right? So the process is just write down the place values of 16 and then add. Right? Then hexadecimal වල මතක ආයි මත ඉන්න පඩා. අපි මේ decimal වල මෙහෙම තුනක් කරා. Binary to decimal කරා. Again octal to decimal and then now hexadecimal to decimal. Right? Now each of these 3 steps, right? What you have to do, the binary means the base is 2, octal 8, hexadecimal 16. So if you have given a kind of binary number like 110, say 11012, right? How to convert a given binary value into decimal is, you have to write down the place values of 2 like this, neither. And then you have to add them together. As this is binary, you have to write down the place values and add together. Then if it is an octal one, say 37 is in octal, you have to convert this one into decimal. you have to write down the place values of 8 and then add up. Now we are in hexadecimal. As the base is 16 here, you have to write down the place values of each as a base of 16s and then add them together. හරිද? එම summarize කරගන්න after end of the lesson, right? Again, the other one, මේකේ අනිත් පැත්තක් තියෙනවා. කොහොමද decimal එකක් binary කරන්නේ? Then decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Can you remember? How did we convert a decimal into binary? Say 78. I want to convert this one into binary. What I have to do? I have to divide this by 2, no? You have to divide this by 2 until the remainder becomes 0, right? And when you are converting decimal into octal, you have to divide the given number by 8. Then decimal into hexadecimal, you have to divide the given number by 16, right? In this case, you have to divide by the base. Here you have to multiply by the place values of the base. Right, now we'll move on to the tutorial 1 and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. That is page number 18. First one we'll do A56. Right, so you have to write down the place values and then add. Sixteen to the power 0, how much?
1.
1. 1 into 6. Here, 16 to the power 1 is 16. That 1 into 5 here. 16 into 2. Yeah, 256. 256 into how much? 10, because the value of A is 10. So that is 2560 80 plus 6. Now, as it is in decimal, no need to put the base. Did any one of you got this answer? 3646?
Madam, I got 2646.
So I got 2646.
2646. එහෙනම් මට වැරදිලා තියෙනවා. 2646, right? Yes, 2646. Next one, 67 BC. Do it alone. Hope you are studying now, right? Don't waste your time, right? This is the most important period of your lives, right? So don't waste any time because only maybe 2 or 3 years you have to worry. You have to work hard. Then you can be free, right? After A-levels. Because the campus life, maybe it's in government or private side, the campus life is not so tough like A-levels. So they won't fail you in the exams inside the campus. But here the A-level is a competitive one, so you have to work hard. You are having enough time because still you didn't receive your O-levels, but you have started A-levels. That is good. So I advise you if you can cover the syllabus earlier. So don't wait till the last moment. If you can do the A-levels 1 year earlier, that also okay, because then you are having the time, because now because of this crisis and the corona, that you have passed most of your time now. හරක් වෙලානේ තියෙන්නේ, right? ඒක නිසා පුළුවන් නම් ඉක්මනට සිලබස් එක, ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් හරි ලියන්න එපා. සිලබස් එක කොහොම හරි ඉවර කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණොත් ඒ වෙනකොට ඊට කලින් අවුරුද්දයත් එක්ක ලෙවල් කරත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මොකද ඒතකොට සෙකන්ඩ් ෂයි එකේදී වඩා හරියට කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ආගේ ෂයි එක එනකොට පර්ෆෙක්ට්ලිම ආට කරගන්න පුළුවන්. 26556.
Yes, teacher, I got this answer.
Got. Here 1 into 12, 16 into 11, and 256 into 7. මෙතන 256 ආයදාසින් වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ. 15යි 5යි 5යි 2. If I am going wrong, just let me know. It's 3 9. Pass it minus 7 3 5 the hard type. Then I had a 32 3 හතරයි. 4ක් 35 39 3 3යි 17යි. Then 160යි 16 කියන්නේ 176යි. then 12යි. 6යි 2යි 8යි 10 හරි වගේනේ. මගේ හරි නේද මේ answers? 18,576, 1792, 176 and 12. Then the third one you can do as a homework, and then we'll move on to the DC3 මෙන්න මේකට යන්න. The fifth one, DC 3.7. Let's see. Anybody who got the answer for this one?
Teacher, I got 3,523.4375.
Same answer.
Then maybe correct. Is decimal in it. Right, we'll see. Then 3යි 16යි 16 වරක් 12. Then 256 into 30. Then 1 into 3. And here 0.125 there. 1 over 16 now. 0.0125 ne? නෑ 16 වරක් 6යි 96යි 40ට 3යි 0.063
Madam, I got 0.0625.
0.0625. හරියට වෙනවා 6යි. හරි ඊට පස්සේ අම්මෝ 256 13 වැඩි කරන්න. 6යි 2. 3328 එතන එනවා 10 රද්දා 160යි 160යි 32යි 192යි නේ 3යි ප්ලස් එතන 625 වැඩි කරන්න 7යි 3යි 48යි 48යි කියන්නේ 0.4යි 8යි 7යි 5යි 4යි 8යි 7යි 4 ප්‍රතිශතය 33යි 6 417යි 6ක් 41යි 43යි 43 4375 ඒකට all together මේක එනවා 8යි 2යි 10යි 3යි 3යි 9යි 12යි 3යි 4යි 5යි හරි the other two other three the third one we missed next this one and the last one do those later and we will discuss them in the class next day. Now, after end of this calculation part, I will send you some calculations to practice, right? I will upload them into the Google Classroom, some tudes regarding calculations. So you can do them and practice your calculations. Only the practice is needed here. Nothing, any difficulties, just the practice is enough. How to do the decimal place. Rahik, did you get the point how to do the decimal point?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Here you are having 2 decimal places, so you have to take one more place like 16 to the power minus 2. That is 16 to the power minus 2 can 1/256. You have to do the calculation and simplify it. Right, let's move on to the hexadecimal to binary part. Hexadecimal to binary. Say example 5B16. Say this is the given hexadecimal number, right? So here there is a direct method that you can follow. Hexadecimal means the base is 16 now, and binary is 2, right? Again, the relationship among these two is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Right? From this one, just take the 4 out, the relationship 4, and you have to expand the given number like this, and you have to write down each of this part as a 4-bit binary value. Now, in the previous case, octal to binary, you wrote the numbers as 3-bit binary values. Now, here same thing, you have to write the given value in binary in 4 bits like this. There you can follow up the easy method again like this. Take 4 places now, because we have to take 4 places now. and write down the values. This is the shortcut to convert each of this one into binary, right? 8. Then B means how much? What is the value of B?
11.
Oh, B is 11, right? So, how to make 11 out of these 4 values? 8 plus 2 plus 1. So, for the 8, you have to put 1. Here 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. So, answer is 1, 0, 1, 1. Right? Here 11 කියන්නේ මෙතන decimal value එක. B වල corresponding decimal value is 11. That is not a binary one. So 11 corresponding binary value is 1, 0, 1. Same way how to make 5. 4 plus 1, no? So 4 is 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 0, 8 is 0. So just 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the answer. The first 0 you can skip. Right? Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then we'll move on to the calculations. Page number 19. Hexadecimal to binary. First one, A5616. Write down each of these values in binaries. One zero, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Gauri has taken this one, so you can check this answer.
Teacher, I got it, teacher.
Then 2 has taken means maybe the correct answer.
Teacher, I have a doubt, teacher.
Uh-huh.
Whether doing conversions, teacher, can we utilize the hexadecimal and octal table for conversion? Like that means whether they'll give marks for those methods, teacher.
No. That means in the exam, where you can find out the tables.
No, teacher. In O level, I studied to write the tables quickly, teacher. So,
You can write down the table.
yes, teacher.
Yeah, because these calculations no need to show the steps in the exam, because this kind of things mostly you may get for the MCQ kind of thing.
Okay,
So
teacher.
if it anyway, if you can take the answer, that's okay. Maybe
Okay,
using the
teacher.
table or any method, because for the structure and the essay one, you may not get this kind of calculations.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. කොහොම හරි ලේසියෙන්ම කරගන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා නම් විනාඩි දෙකක් වගේනේ තියෙන්නේ. එක ප්‍රශ්නයකට විනාඩි දෙකක් තියෙනවද? 2 hours for 50 questions.
Okay, teacher.
2 hour 50 questions means 120 minutes. 50 කියන්නේ විනාඩි දෙකමාරක් තියෙනවානේ. 2යි 10යි. විනාඩි දෙකක් තියමු. 2 minute වලින් කරන්න ඕනේ. හරි MCQ එකක්. Right here 0 1 1 0 මෙතන 0 1 0 1. Here A means 10. 10 කියන්නේ 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. හරි නේද? මේ ඔක්කොම ටික එකට ලියන්න තියෙනවා. Right. Next one, 67 BC.
I got 0, 1, 1,
Hmm.
00,
Hmm.
1, 1, 1,
Hmm.
0,
Hmm.
1, 1, 1,
Hmm.
00, base 2.
Right. Let's see. 0, 0, 1, 0, again 4 ones. Yes. Gauravi has also taken the same, so may be correct. V means 11, 1, 0, 1, 1, $. High. High. So the first 0 you can omit, but the last zeros you can't omit, you have to put those. Then let's do the fifth one. This one. Let's
Madam,
take
I got
the yes.
101,
Hmm.
1010,
Hmm.
1011,
Hmm.
point,
Hmm.
decimal point,
Hmm.
0111. Madam,
Zero.
I did the 5AB.7.
This one, fourth one. Our
Yeah.
then fourth one answer has taken by Gauravi, so you can just check it out when you do it as a homework. This
I
is
got
for this one.
I got the same answer.
That is for fourth one, eh? Right. Fifth answer.
For the fifth one, I got 11, 0, 111,
111, 0, 111.
00, 00,
Hmm.
11,
Hmm.
point,
Hmm.
0, 111,
Hmm.
00, 11, base 2.
Same answer, madam.
Alright. Right. Haik also has taken Gauravi and Shivani, neither.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Three is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 12 means 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 means 1, 1, 0, 1. So put the decimal form. Yes. Base එක දාන්න 2 කියලා. So the last one also do as a homework. The third one, fourth one, and last one do as homeworks, right? Sigiri, are you okay with the calculations, Uta?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Anybody who have not maybe who have done the O-level ICT, again I need to check. Can you just can you raise your hands? Those who have done O-level ICT. Here today half of you are here because this is extra day now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 ne 5 karla thiyena. Rahik, you have not done Sigiri and Tilini. You have not done it. Rahik has done Sigiri and Tilini only from the today's batch. Maybe if all are here, half of you all have done O-level ICT, others not. No problem, right? No any impact of doing O-level ICT for the A-level. Only thing is they can do this kind of things speedy, but in the future lessons, those are mostly not relevant for the O-level. Some are there, small things, but we are going deeply here. But definitely we have to consider like you all have not done O-level, so we have to explain from the beginning, right? Right, then the last calculation of that group, that is hexadecimal to octal. Hexadecimal to octal. Now, in the previous two cases, we had some shortcuts now, right? But here, in the hexadecimal to octal conversion, as well as the other conversion, like the opposite, octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal, here, both of these calculations, we don't have shortcuts. Definitely, we have to go through 3 steps, right? So, the first method here we can take is, you can convert the given hexadecimal value into binary first and then binary value into decimal. That is one method. The second method is hexadecimal value you can convert into decimal, then that decimal value, here octal, make octal, make again octal, right? So like the previous one, how we did the octal to hexadecimal, that also we followed 3 steps now. So here also same, right? So we'll follow the first method first. We'll take an example like A360. This is the given hexadecimal value. So how to convert that one into binary? The first method, hexadecimal, we have to convert into binary. Now, how to convert A3 into binary? We have to write down the binaries as 4 bits, like 0, 0, 1, 1. Then අටයි දෙකයි. දෙකේ බිඳ දෙකේ එක දෙකේ දෙක දෙකේ තුන. කොහොමනේ? මේ විදිහට binary number එක ලියනවා. Now this is in binary. That binary value you have to convert into octal. How to convert a binary into octal? Now this is the binary value. How to convert that one into octal? Can you remember binary to octal? Anybody? Binary is 2, the base 2, octal is 8. So what you have to do? 2 to the power 3 is 8. Using that relationship, just cluster like 3, right? You have to take the clusters of 3 and you have to write down the place values. And then you have to add. Here 2 plus 0, 4 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2 plus 1. Here 2, 4, here 3. So the answer is 243 basis 8. Right? So using the second method also, you have to take the same answer. Here also, I think the first method is easy. The binary conversion is easy than the decimal conversion because the less calculations here now. Right? So using the second method even, we will try to do the same. Second method, මොකද කරන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා A316 එකේ එක decimal කරන්න ඕනේ. Decimal කරන්නේ කොහොමද hexadecimal එක? How to convert hexadecimal into decimal? You have to take the place values. එතකොට එනවා 1 into 3, 16 into 10 and you have to add 60 plus 3, that is 163. Right, now we are in decimal. So in order to convert this one into octal, decimal to octal, decimal එකක් octal කරන්නේ කොහොමද? We have to divide the given decimal number by 8. ඒක කීයද? 20ට 3යි 8 වරක් 2 16යි 4යි. එතන 243 in octal. Right, same answer we can take. So you can follow any easy method in here. So let's move on to the first one.
Teacher, can you please explain a decimal question in this part, in this section?
Okay. Here, decimal part. How to convert the decimal into octal?
Yes, teacher. That means if we get hexadecimal to octal, decimal numbers.
Hexadecimal into octal.
Octal decimal numbers, teacher.
That means fraction with some fractions. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. We will consider all are there in the tube. Right? All are there in the tube. There are some examples with fractions as well. We will do. Okay, Shivani?
Okay, teacher.
Right. First, we'll start from the first one. Page number 20. We will follow the first method. That means here again, can you write down the two methods here? First method is what? Second method is what? First method is hexadecimal, then binary, that binary into decimal. Elanga hexadecimal into decimal. Sorry, it's an octal. Octal. Decimal into octal. උඩින් ලියා ගන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ඒ two methods කියලා. ඊළඟට use කරන method එක ඉස්සෙල්ලම ලියන්න මෙතන. පුරුදු වෙනකන් විතරයි මේ ඕන. හරි? First method. First method means hexadecimal to binary. Binary and it is to octal. Right. Using the first method, try to do this one. So we'll take the answer from Pumika, can you do this one and tell me the answer at last? Right. Someone has already finished. Pumika, can you tell me the answer by doing this one? Pumika, are you here? Pumika? All right, okay. Okay, Pumika, do this one and tell me the answer at last, all right? Right. Pumika has given the answer as 5126. I think most of you all have done that one. 5126. Okay, we'll do how to solve that one. Hexadecimal 856 into binary first. Sigiri, what will be the value of binary here? The 6. What is the corresponding binary value of 6 in binary? Are you here, Sigiri? Sigiri, yes. Tilini, what is the value of 6 in binary? Ah, 1100. නෑ මට ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ තිබුණේ. දෙකේ බිංදුව දෙකේ එක එකේ දෙක. It should be 1010. Is that so? Next one, 5 means 0101. මේකෙන් ඕනේ 8යි 2යි 10යි. නෑ විතර වැරදුනා මට. 4යි 2යි 6යි. එතකොට එනවා 101001010110 කියලා එකක්. Then that binary value you have to convert into octal. Right. Sikiri, did you take this binary value, Puta? Sikiri?
No, teacher, I was stuck there.
You have stuck in the calculation?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Where you have stuck? 6 හරිද? මෙහෙම ගන්න මේ Sikiri. අර method එකෙන් ගන්න මෙහෙම දෙකේ 2යි 2 3යි මෙහෙම ලියාගන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ 4ක්. හරි මොකද 4ක් ලියාගන්නේ? We have to take the binaries as 4-bit binaries විදියට ගන්න. bit 4ක number එකක් විදියට කියන්නේ. ඒකයි අපි place values 4ක් ගත්තේ. Right? If you want to write down the binaries in place of 3s, then only 3 places enough. Then take like 4, 8 or ලියාගන්න. Okay? Then the 6, how to make 6 out of these 4 variations? That means 4 and 2 is 6 now. So for 4 and 2, you just put 1 1 here and other 0. So you can take 0 1 1 0. Then 5. Again 4 and 1 is 5 now. 0 1 0 1. So 5 is pattern is 0 1 0 1. Same way
Okay,
8 is 10. හරි ආසි. සීගිරි කරගෙන යන්න. A is 10. 10 කියන්නේ 8යි 2යි. 8 plus 2. Right? This is in now binary. That binary we have to convert into octal again. This is in binary. We have to convert that one into octal. Tilini, how to convert this given number into octal? What is the method?
Dividing into clusters of 3.
Yes, you have to divide clusters of 3 like this. Kada දැන් binary නේ තියෙන්නේ. The binary to octal means binary means the base is 2. Octal කියන්නේ base is 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. That is why we take 3 here. That is why we are clustering as 3s here. Then write down the place values for each. Okay, මෙතන 5 එකයි 6. Tilini and Sikini has disconnected. Right. Tilini, did you take this answer? Next one we'll see 6-7 BC. Second one 6-7 BC. Six, 3, 6, 7, 4. Right, your answers are correct. Correct, Rahik. B is 12. B is 11. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is this the binary number you all have got?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then we'll cluster it as threes. This is 6. Then write down the place values, right? Write down the place values and solve them. වැරදුනාද මට 1 1 0 0 3 1s 2 1s 2 zeros 1 0 1. මගේ වැරදිද? මට වැරදුනානේ. මෙතන මේ ආන්සර් කියන්නේ නැහැ මට 6යි 3යි මෙතනනේ මට 7නේ. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 එතනින් බෙදුවා එතන දෙකෙන් මට එන්නේ වැරදි උත්තරයක් එන්නේ
Madam, 4C 0 0. 4C should be 1100.
C 1100 ඒක එන්නේ C කියන්නේ කියන C කියන්නේ 13යි නේ ඔව් 8 12යි 13යි ඔව් එකට 6යි මෙතන 3යි ආයෙත් එන්නේ නැහනේ ඔද්ද B පෙරදිලාද මට B කියන්නේ 12 නේ 8යි 4යි 12යි ඒක හරි C කියන්නේ 13 හරි 7ත් හරි 6ත් හරි ඔයාලගේ උත්තරේ එන්නේ නැහැ 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 2 0 1 1 0 1 ඒකට හරියට මෙහෙම නම් බෙදාගෙන ආව මෙතන 5යි එන්නේ මට එන්නේ මෙතන
Madam, 1100, no, not 1101.
8යි 4යි 12යි 1යි 13 මෙතනද පුතා Cද
Yes, madam.
C කියන්නේ 12 නේ ඔක්කොම වැරදුනානේ B means 11 C means 12 yes 8යි 3යි 11 කියන්නේ මෙතන 1011 ආයි මෙතන 12 කියන්නේ 8යි 4යි 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 tunai 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 එතකොට එනවා මෙතන 6යි 3යි 6යි 7යි දෙකේ 4යි හරිද දැන් 63673 ද sorry
Yes.
හරිනේ ඒක හදන්න ගියපෙළ The answer should be 63674. Yes, correct. You are correct. I got wrong. Then we'll see the last one of this collection. The last one. EA2.B fraction kind of one. Last one. Termo. Again, same method. Only the difference here is the decimal part. Just put it here and normal manner, just write down the binaries. Now we can take from above 1, 1 0 1 1. 2 is 0 0 1 0. How much A? A can 10.
1010.
Oh, 1 0 1 0. And what about E? E can kiyada? E can 14 right?
1110.
1110. ඒ කියන්නේ is that F කියන්නේ 15යි E කියන්නේ 14යි නේ it's 14. So how to make 14 of from this particular four values? 14 කියන්නේ 8 2 842 නේ එතකොට 110 එහෙම හදාගන්න. ඒක ලේසි. ළඟට 1110 101000. Where's the decimal point here? Here the decimal point, I have missed it totally. Decimal point you have to keep 3 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 point 1 0 1 1. Then this is in binary. You have to convert this binary into octal. So I will take the numbers to this side. Otherwise, I want enough space. 1 1. This is the real number. Then you have to cluster into threes. Just cluster this one into threes. Now, when we are clustering this one, you can cluster this one from here and you can add 2 zeros for last part. Is that clear? How to cluster the fraction part? 1 0 1 take into one group, and for the last one you are missing 2 places now. So you have to add 2 zeros at the end. Right? First make the number like this. And then the positive part, just can cluster 3 by 3. First do the clustering correctly. After doing the clustering, then write down the place values. Starting from here, 0, 1, 2. Again, 0, 1, 2. 0 වලින් ඉඳන් පටන් ගන්න 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 ලියන්න. Then the values. There are 5, 4, then 2, 4, 2, 7. Yes. 7242.54. Anybody? You have given me the answers. 72425. Pumika, Rahik has taken. Okay. Yes, good. Right. So the next part, I don't have enough time to start a new part. So let's do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth the fifth one will do that one. Because to start a new lesson, not a new lesson, new part, it's not enough time. Fifth එකත් කරමු. ඊළඟට මම ආයෙත් මේක presentation එක චුට්ටක් පෙන්නන්න. Now we are in the 9th slide and we have completed up to the 9th slide, right? And sorry, in my case it's 9, maybe you are different. 9th slide here, right? Then decimal fractions also we did. The next part is the binary arithmetic. Okay, the next day we have to start with binary arithmetic. There we are going to add the binary numbers together as well as subtract the binary numbers. Only the binary arithmetic is there in your syllabus, right? Don't do the others, like maybe in your maybe in some other teachers classes, or maybe in school they are doing octal arithmetic and hexadecimal arithmetic too. Those were there in the previous, the all syllabus, but now it's not there, right? Don't waste your time. Only the binary arithmetic is enough, binary addition and binary subtraction. Because Normally, you know the decimal arithmetic. Is that so? Decimal arithmetic you already know it. But no, you can decimal numbers add karanna, subtract karanna, you can. And here we are learning about binary arithmetic. That means how to add binary numbers and how to subtract. So those two is enough to do any conversion. Maybe you are having an octal conversion, octal arithmetic in your examination, right? Think you are having an octal addition in the exam. So by just converting that octal value into binary or into decimal, you can just do the calculation. That is why it has totally removed from the syllabus. Because by using the binary arithmetic and decimal arithmetic, you can do any. Because you can do the conversions now. The binary එකක් දුන්නම අපි හිතමු octal addition එකක් දුන්න කියලා. හරිද? octal addition එකක් දෙනවා 738 එකතු කරන්න කියලා 278 වලට. Right now octal addition we are not doing. But you know how to convert this octal into binary or decimal. Again, this one you know how to convert into decimal or binary, right? Now, if you know how to add binary numbers and how to add decimal numbers, then using that knowledge you can manage this calculation, right? No need to separately learn regarding octal and hexadecimal calculations, the arithmetics. Okay. Okay, so let's do them in next time. For today, we will do the fifth one at last. And I will send you some questions today. I will upload them into the Google Classroom. So try to do the calculations. Regarding all of these calculation parts, the questions are there. And past paper questions also I will upload. And if you are having some past paper books, just you can sort them out. DC 3.7. Right. So this is 0, 1, 1, 1. There. 0, 0, 1, 1. Here B, make it 12. 12 can A, B, C can 12. Yes. Right. D is 13. Is this the binary number you take?
Yes, teacher.
0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Point 0, method point 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, clustering part. Clustering part means just divide, separate from this decimal point, 3 from here, and add 2 zeros for this one. Then again, 0 on better. Right? Now, this is common. 3.307 Did you take 6703.34? I couldn't
Yes,
check the
ma'am.
answers. Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
So hope you all have clear regarding the calculation part. So if you have any doubts, just refer the recordings. I will upload the recording. And please keep in mind the recording will be deleted after some time. Maybe 2 weeks it will be available. But then it will be deleted already. Because I don't have enough cloud storage in order to keep all the recordings every time. So if you need the recording further, just download it, right? Otherwise, your capacity also will be misused by the recordings now. Just learn it at the same time. Just ignore the recording then, right? ඒ වෙලාවෙ මේක ස්ටඩි කරලා රෙකෝඩින් එක අයින් කරලා දාන්න නැත්නම් ඔයාලටත් කොහෙද ඔක්කොම ස්ටෝර් කරගන්න තැනක් නැහැනේ. Right, then we will stop for today. and we'll meet on the next Tuesday.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Thank you,
If you
teacher.
have any questions, let me put some WhatsApp messages, maybe regarding questions and all, right? Right, okay.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Good
Thank
night.
you.